Um, I'm going to watch Cute with Chris this week. This is the first time I've seen it for this week. I just, it's funny because I sit here with a stupid look on my face, and I mean, that's how awesome I think his videos are. So I don't have much time to do a video because I don't know how long his video is. So anyway.
Are you a single lady in your 30s who can't figure out why you can't land a man? Do you have 3 or more of these in your house? Are you currently wearing a white turtleneck with one of these over top? Now look down at your feet and tell me if you see these. Has it been 2 or more years since you physically touched a male human who isn't related to you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be a crazy cat lady. I recently received this letter from 34-year-old Deborah in Long Island. Hey Chris, I'm still single and I recently got my 4th cat. I think it's official. I'm a crazy cat lady. I would like to find a husband, but it doesn't seem to be happening. I'm losing hope. Deborah, Long Island, 3014. Thank you for your letter, Deborah. You didn't mention if you wear clogs and a white turtleneck, but if you don't, there is hope. I get inspirational letters from crazy cat ladies all over the world who have somehow managed to land a guy. Like Kelly in New York, who found this guy Jeremy, who worships her cat Squeeze. I also got this letter from crazy cat lady Renita in Washington. Hi Chris, my boyfriend Thomas and I watch your show every week. We love it. I've included some half-naked pictures of my boyfriend with my cat Cubby because I want to prove that even a crazy cat lady like me can get some hot man flesh. Keep rockin', Renita in Washington. Thank you for the photos, Renita the crazy cat lady. I'm opening the pictures of your half-naked boyfriend right now. Okay. Well, last time on the Cute Down, I asked you to vote on who is cuter. Ascot the horse, Jack the plastic surgery dog, or Charles equals Chief from Ventura. The votes have been tabulated, and the winners are Ascot and Jack. Sorry, Charles, but that means you're ugly. Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Dreams dead, you.
A viewer pets now. Time for viewer pets.
Today's viewer pet is Nibbles, sent in by Jeremy in Oregon. Oh, sorry, I mean Oregon. I'm also going to show Mr. Snuggles, the blender dog, and Satsuma the weightlifter. Satsuma the weightlifter, sent in by Lori in BC. And now it's time for another edition of What You Sick People Come Here For. Today on What You Sick People Come Here For, we present Gordon. Gordon from France and his moves. Oh, sorry, that's not what you sick people come here for. You sick people come here for this. Ooh, vegetable-eating hamster sent in by Chum in Vancouver. You people are sick. Oh! Well, I'd like to say a special thanks to the hundreds and hundreds of people who jammed the phone lines last week trying to get tickets to my sold-out one-man show, Cute with Chris Live in Toronto next month. Apparently, many of you have been going down to the theater and pounding on the windows to see if there are any extra tickets left. Please stop. You're scaring the staff who works there. Who is cuter? Lucy the hamster, Satsuma the weightlifter owned by Lori in BC, or the
Mochi is pretty freaking cute.
Oh yeah, hot male flesh. I will post the pictures of Renita's shirtless boyfriend at my website, cutewithchris.com, but I'm only doing this as inspiration. Inspiration to the thousands of women like Deborah, single ladies in their 30s with 3 or more cats who watch Cute with Chris. Don't give up on your dreams. Throw away your clogs and believe that somewhere in the space between your 11 cats and your 6 litter boxes and the 39 squeaky toys on your bed, there is room for a man in your life. Unless you want to turn lesbian, which I would totally recommend. I mean, wouldn't it be easier just to date another crazy cat lady? Visit cutewithchris.com for daily updates, and we'll see you next time on With Chris.
subscribe to him. And if you haven't already subscribed to me, what the hell? Bye.